Hello everyone, in this session we will see exercise 5.6 and we will complete that exercise. Okay, only some problems are remaining that. What is given? X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y is given a into 1 plus cos theta. Here how many variables are there? X is there and y is there. Those x are in the forms of theta, right? Another variable is theta and you have to find dy by dx. So it is in the parametric form. First what you have to do? You have to differentiate the function x with respect to theta. And you have to differentiate y with respect to theta. So derivative of, right, differentiating the given function with respect to theta. So derivative of x with respect to theta will be dx by d theta is equal to derivative of a. A is a constant, so as it is multiplied with that. So into derivative of theta will be 1 minus derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now we differentiate y with respect to theta, that is now dy by d theta is equal to a as it is and derivative of 1 will be 0, constant is 0 plus derivative of cos theta will be minus sin theta. So we got dx by d theta and dy by d theta. You have to find dy by dx, right? So this can be written as by using another variable dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, right? Here theta is called the parameter, remember that. So dy by d theta will be, what is that? A into minus sin theta divided by dx by d theta will be a into 1 minus cos theta. So here a and a will get cancelled, right? A and a will cancel. So minus sin theta, you can apply the formula. What is 1 minus cos theta? You know the formula. Cos 2 theta is, right, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here we need 1 minus cos theta. So this can be written as cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, right? Angle is divided by 2 and we need 1 minus cos theta. So we can write this one as 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square. You should remember these formulas, okay? You are not supposed to write these things. Directly you can substitute this. So this is equal to minus sin theta. That is minus sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So here sin theta formula, but in the place of 2 theta we have here theta. So divided by 1 minus cos theta will be 2 sin square theta by 2. By this we can cancel 2 and 2. 1 sin and sin will get cancelled. Cos by sin will be equal to cot. So this is now minus cot theta by 2. I hope you understood this one. See the next problem. Given x is equal to sin cube t divided by root cos 2t, y is equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Find dy by dx. This problem is little lengthy, so listen carefully, okay? So here x is given and the variable is here t, right? And y is given, variable is t. So you have to differentiate the given function, both x and y with respect to t, right? We will differentiate. First I write differentiating the function with respect to t. Is it clear? First you have to check the variable. So now we differentiate. Derivative of x with respect to t will be dx divided by dt. Now here you can observe this. This is of the form f of x by g of x, right? F of x by g of x means or u by v. You have to apply the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? This is division of root of, I have to write denominator cos 2t whole square, right? Directly write this one. Denominator g of x whole square, that is root of cos 2t whole square. Then I have to write that function as it is, that is root of cos 2t into derivative of sin cube t. What is derivative of sin cube t? It's of the form x cube, right? Derivative of x cube will be 3x square. So 3 into, in the place of x, here we have sin. So this is now sin square t into derivative of sin t. What is the derivative of sin t? It will be cos t and derivative of t with respect to t will be 1. So it is minus, I have to write the numerator as it is, that is sin cube t, right? Let sin cube t as it is and derivative of root of cos 2t. So it's of the form root x, right? Derivative of root x will be equal to 1 by 2 root x. But in the place of x here we have cos 2t. So this is now 1 divided by 2 into root of cos 2 now we have to differentiate cos 2t in the place of x. Here we have 2t, so derivative of cos x will be minus sin x, that is now minus sin of x is now 2t. Is it clear? 2t into derivative of 2 into t, it will be equal to 2 because derivative of t will be 1, so into 2, so that I can cancel 2 and 2. Is it clear? I will simplify this. So this is equal to, I will take the LCM root of cos 2t, so I can write this one as here 2 and square root will get cancelled, so that is now root of cos 2t. Is it clear? We are taking the LCM here, then here one cos 2t is there, so we will write as it is cos 2t. So you have to multiply this root of cos 2t here, so root of cos 2t into that will be, this remaining with cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus what is remaining here, sin cube t, minus into minus will be plus sin cube t into sin 2t. Is it clear? So this is the value of dx by dt. Now similarly you have to find dy by dt. So here we got dx by dt. Now we have to find dy by dt. Similar to this one, we differentiate that with respect to t. So derivative of y with respect to t will be dy by dt. So this is equal, again it's of the form f of x by g of x, denominator root of, right, root of cos 2t whole square. Then I have to write the denominator as it is, that is root of cos 2t into derivative of cos cube t, right? It's of the form, we have to apply chain rule, it's of the form x cube. Derivative of x cube will be 3x square, that is 3 into, in the place of x, here we have cos, so this will be now cos square t into, then we have done the cube, now we have to find the derivative of cos t. Derivative of cos t will be minus sin t into derivative of t with respect to t will be 1 minus, is it clear? We will write the numerator as it is, that is cos cube t into derivative of root of cos 2t, that is of the form root x, right? 1 by 2 root x, that is 1 by 2 into root x is now cos 2t. So this root is over, now you have to differentiate cos 2t, derivative of cos 2t will be minus sin, right, 2t. Then we have done with this cos, now we have to differentiate 2t, derivative of 2 into 2 will be equal to 2, so that I can cancel 2 and 2. Similar to the previous one, just we will take the LCM as root of cos 2t. So this is equal to now root of cos 2t, it's clear, root of cos 2t, and here square and square root will get cancelled, remaining with cos 2t. Now here I have to multiply by root of cos 2t. If you multiply, whole square will be there, so square and square root will get cancelled. This is now cos 2t into 3 cos square t, right, minus is this, so I will write here minus sin t, and then minus into minus will be, minus into minus will be plus, remaining with sin 2t into cos cube t. Is it clear? We got the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. Now you have to substitute in the dy by dx and you have to simplify. See here, dy by dx can be written as dy by dt and divided by dx by dt. Just I have substituted the value of dy by dt and here dx by dt. Just I rearranged that and I substituted. Okay. Now this is equal to, here I write the first one as it is, minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t and sin t as it is plus cos cube t. Now we will substitute the formula sin 2t. What is sin 2t? It is 2 sin t into cos t. Is it clear? 2 into sin t into cos t. Now divided by, we will write the first term as it is, divided by, so this is now 3 into cos 2t sin square t cos t plus sin cube t as it is. Here also we will substitute the value of sin 2t. Sin 2t is 2 sin t into cos t. Is it clear? Here you can observe this in the numerator and denominator. Everywhere sin t and cos t is there. So we will take common. In the numerator I will take sin t and cos t. So in the first term minus 3 cos 2t as it is, cos square t is there, one cos t is here and another cos t is remaining, and here sin t is there, we have taken out sin t, plus cos cube t is there, we have taken cos t, so remaining with here cos square t and 2 as it is, and again one more sin t is here and again one more cos t is there, so cos square t into cos t, directly I can write this as cos cube t. Is it clear? This is whole divided by, so now here 3 into, here also we will take sin t and cos t, so sin t into cos t, what is remaining here, 3 into cos 2t, one sin is out, so one sin t is remaining, and here cos t is here, plus sin cube t is there, right, here we have taken one sin t, so remaining with here sin square t and here sin square t and one more sin t is there, so sin square into sin will be sin cube t. Is it clear? Directly I have written here. I hope you understood this one, or directly you can take this sin t common, remaining with sin cube t and 2 is as it is and cos t is outside. So now this is, now by this we can cancel sin t and cos t. Here this is equal to minus 3 into, now you have to substitute the formula cos 2t. Is it clear? Cos 2x formula you have to substitute. There are 4 formulas. Now here you have to substitute the formula in terms of cos, because here cos is there. Is it clear? Cos 2t, in terms of cos I can write 2 cos square t minus 1. Is it clear? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos t is as it is, plus that 2 into cos cube t is as it is, cos cube t divided by, here also 3 into, here also you have to substitute the formula for cos 2t, but it should be in the terms of sin. Remember in this way, here you have to substitute cos t, but it should be in terms of cos. Here cos 2t you have to substitute, but it should be in terms of sin. So cos 2t I can write, what is that? Cos 2x in terms of sin, it will be 1 minus 2 sin square x. So I can write this one as 1 minus 2 sin square t. Is it clear? Multiplied with sin t plus 2 sin cube t is as it is. I hope you are understanding this one. Okay. Now we will multiply this, minus 3 into 2 cos square t. It is multiplied with cos t. So this is now minus 3 into 2 will be 6 cos square t and then cos t. It will be minus 6 cos cube t. Here minus into minus will be plus 3 into cos t. Is it clear? 3 into cos t plus 2 cos cube t is as it is. 2 cos cube t whole divided by, here also we will multiply 3 into 1 sin t. So this will be now 3 sin t and this is 3 into 2 will be 6 minus is there, so minus 6 sin square into sin, it will be sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. So clear? Plus 2 sin cube t. Now finally we can write dy by dx is equal to, see this one, minus 6 cos cube t plus 2 cos cube t. So I can write minus 4, right? Minus 6 cos cube t plus 2 cos cube t, so it will be minus 4 cos cube t and then another term plus 3 cos t, that is as it is, plus 3 cos t whole divided by, this is here 3 sin t as it is, minus 6 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t, it will be minus 4 sin cube t. So I will write first 3 sin t as it is, minus 4, is it clear? Minus 6 plus 2, it will be minus 4 sin cube t. Here this is equal to, we will take negative common. If I take negative common, remaining with 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. Is it clear? Divided by, denominator is as it is, that is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Now what is this 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t? It's a cos 3t formula, right? Cos 3x will be 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this is the formula of minus cos 3t. Clear? Divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. It is the formula of sin 3t, right? Sin 3 3. Okay, sorry. So this is now minus cos by sin will be equal to cot 3t. Answer is cot 3t. I hope you understood this one. So the next one, here x is given a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a into sin t. Similar to the previous problem. Actually, you can try this problem. Okay. Now we can observe this. Here the variable is t. Right. So then we have to differentiate the function with respect to t. So we'll differentiate this. Differentiating the function with respect to t. Now what is the derivative of x with respect to t? Obviously it will be dx by dt is equal to a is constant as it is, and derivative of cos t with respect to t will be now minus sin t, right, plus now it's of the form log x, right. You have to consider this as x. You have to apply the chain rule. So derivative of log x will be 1 by x, but in the place of x here we have tan t by 2. So this will be now 1 divided by tan t by 2. So we have done with this log. Now we have to differentiate tan t by 2. So you have to consider this as tan x, right. Here x is equal to t by 2. What is the derivative of tan x? It is secant square x. So this is now secant square of what is x? X is here t by 2. So secant square of t by 2. So we have done with log and tan. Now you have to differentiate t by 2. What is t by 2? You have to keep 1 by 2 as it is, that is a constant, and derivative of t with respect to t will be equal to 1. I hope you understood this one. First log x, after that tan x, then finally you have to differentiate t by 2. Now we will simplify this. This is equal to, I can write k into minus sin t plus tan t by 2 can be written as 1 by tan t by 2 is there, that is cos t by 2, right, into secant square, secant square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Here only we can simplify. Alright, that one more step. A into, this is now minus sin t, cot can be written as cos by sin, right. So this is now cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. What is secant square t by 2? I can write as 1 by cos square t by 2. Is it clear? Cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So we can cancel 1 cos and cos. What is remaining here? This is equal to a into minus sin t, right, plus 1 divided by sin t by 2, cos t by 2 and 2. I can write sin t, right. This is the formula for sin t. Is it clear? Sin t will be 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. So we will take the LCM. LCM is now a into, we will take LCM as sin t. So if I multiply, this is now minus sin square t plus 1. What is 1 minus sin square t? It will be cos square t, right? Cos square t plus sin square t will be equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square t will be equal to cos square t divided by sin t. So this is equal to a into, is it here, cos by sin will be cot t into cos t as it is. So this is the now dx by dt. Now we have to find dy by dt. Now we will see this one. Y is equal to a sin t is given. So we will differentiate this with respect to t. So this will be now dy by dt is equal to a into derivative of sin t will be cos t. Right, simple one. So we will substitute this. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? A into cos t divided by dx by dt will be a into cot t cos t, that is a into cot t into cos t. So that we can cancel a and a, cos and cos will be cancelled. 1 by cot t will be equal to tan t. So derivative of a given function is tan t. I hope you understood this one. See this problem. Once this was asked for 5 marks, you have to proceed. X is given root of a to the power sin inverse t and y is equal to root of a to the power cos inverse t, and you have to prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So answer is given here. So it will be easy, right? So the problem is easy. What you have to do is, see here, either you can go with the chain rule. I mean here it's of the form root x, right? You can apply that formula. It will be 1 by 2 root x. Then you have to differentiate this one. Then you have to differentiate this. That method is also okay. Or else you can go with the logarithm method. Here I use the log method. If you use log method, it will be easy. Okay? We will go with logarithmic method. See here, this one I can write as x is equal to a to the power sin inverse t, right? And square root is this. So I can write divided by 2. Is it clear? square root means it is 1 by 2. So sin inverse t divided by 2, and y we can write as a to the power 1 by 2 into cos inverse t. Is it clear? Square root is there. So that can be written as sin inverse t by 2, that is cos inverse t by 2. Now we will take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So this is now log x, listen carefully. So this is equal to log of a to the power 1 by 2 sin inverse t. Right? 1 by 2 sin inverse t. See here, you are not supposed to divide the angle by 2. It is whole divided by 2. I mean 1 by 2. Remember that. So this is of the form a to the power m. That is now 1 by 2. Right? M log n I can write. So 1 by 2 sin inverse t into log a. Now it is in the simplified form. Right? So this is now log x is equal. Now we will differentiate this with respect to t. Now differentiating the function with respect to t. So derivative of log x with respect to t will be, that is 1 by x, right? Derivative of log x will be 1 by x, and derivative of x with respect to t will be dx by dt. Is it clear? Derivative of log x with respect to x will be 1 by x, but here you are differentiating with respect to t. So derivative of log x will be 1 by x, then derivative of x with respect to t will be dx by dt. This is equal to, here you can observe this one, 1 by 2 is constant and log a is also constant. So we will write as it is 1 by 2 log a, and derivative of sin inverse, what is derivative of sin inverse t? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Is it clear? By this we can write dx by dt is equal to x into 1 by 2 log a divided by root of 1 minus x square. So we got the value of dx by dt. Similarly we will find dy by dt. Okay, we will differentiate second one. I mean this function with respect to t. So derivative of y with respect to, before that what you have to do? You have to take log on both sides. Directly we can't differentiate. I write this a to the power 1 by 2 cos inverse of t. Directly it will be difficult to differentiate. You can go with the a to the power x formula. That is also possible. A to the power x into log a. Then you have to differentiate. That is also possible. Or better you use log. It will be easy. Okay. We will take log on both sides. If I take log on both sides, this will be now log y is equal to, it is log a to the power 1 by 2 cos inverse of t. Right? It's of the form x to the power n or n to the power n. So this is I can write 1 by 2 cos inverse of t into log a. This is will be equal to log 1. Clear? Now we differentiate this one with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. So derivative of log y with respect to t. Log y will be 1 by y. Derivative of y with respect to t will be dy by dt is equal. Here also 1 by 2 and log a is constant. We write as it is 1 by 2 and log a. What is the derivative of cos inverse t? It is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So by this we can write dy by dt is equal to y into 1 by 2 log of a and minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now check this one. See here, dy by dx and dy by dt and dx by dt is, if you divide these two, obviously log a and log a will get cancelled. 1 by 2 will get cancelled. And 1 by root of 1 minus x square is also get cancelled, remaining with minus y divided by x. So we proved this one, right? Just let me substitute this. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we substitute dy by dt, that is y into 1 by 2. See here, minus sign is there. It is multiplied with minus into y into 1 by 2 log a into 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is dy by dt divided by dx by dt will be, here it is x into, same it is that 1 by 2 into log a into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So here you can cancel 1 minus x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Log a can be cancelled and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So answer is equal to minus y by x. So we proved that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Important problem.